Grammar quiz. The first conditional. Fill in the blanks using the first conditional. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer each question. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. If I blank this exam, I'll blank a bottle of champagne. Is it A, passes and by, B, passed and by, C, passing and by, or D, pass and by? The correct answer is D, pass and buy. If I pass this exam, I'll buy a bottle of champagne. Number 2. If he blank this point, he'll blank the match. Is it A, scores and win, B, score and wins, C, score and win, or D, scores and wins? The correct answer is A, scores and win. If he scores this point, he'll win the match. 3. When we blank to the cinema, I won't blank any snacks. Is it A, go and bring, B, goes and bring, C, gone and bring, or D, went and bring? The correct answer is A, go and bring. When we go to the cinema, I won't bring any snacks. 4. If she blank the lottery tonight, she will blank rich. Is it A, wins and is, B, wins and B, C, winning and is, or D, winning and B? The correct answer is B, wins and B. If she wins the lottery tonight, she will be rich. And 5. You'll blank the bus if you don't blank. Is it A, miss and runs, B, misses and runs, C, miss and run, or D, misses and run? The correct answer is C, miss and run. You'll miss the bus if you don't run. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.